Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 1979 Chrysler 300. This comes from, now this customer has a very distinctive first name, so saying only his first name might still be a violation of his privacy. So we're just going to call this customer by his initials. This is for DV. In Oakley, California, and DV has requested the internal conversion. It's already AM-FM, so the internal conversion is just to get everything working again. And of course, we're going to demonstrate the 8-track as well. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive, so we can test out our balance and fader controls during talk radio. So here we go.
If he's still with us, Jim, I'm glad you called. Good morning. I got about 30
Okay, now we're going to need our output level meters, and we're going to soon. Now, the original balance sliders no longer works. Slider controls don't last nearly as long as rotary controls, so we've got a virtual balance control in place of the original balance slider. We're going to demonstrate that right now. First, we're going to adjust our front-rear fader.
We've had it go through.
And we do that by giving our tone control 2 quick turns to the right, returning it to the center position each time. So let's try that.
Or whatever. Believe me, we all would have known it, especially
fader adjust.
Okay.
On GOP side
all
of things.
front.
Thank you for everything, Chris.
All the way rear.
Thank you, brother. God bless you.
Front.
Thank you for listening. I thank you for
Rear.
that very, very much. More than you know.
Okay.
And I thank Relief Factor for being
Fader set.
Okay.
Relief Factor
Left,
was the
right,
first
balance.
people on board, as a matter of fact, and they have been helping
Balance adjust.
country out of
Okay,
pain
all the way
without
left.
medicine, without doctors'
Right.
visits, without shots and surgeries.
Left.
If battling pain and
Right.
you haven't tried it yet, why not?
Okay.
They
Center.
put together what they call a 3-week quick start. It's
Balance set.
been a
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and this radio has an original AM-FM switch, so it's easy. Just go like that. Now we're on FM. Don't need this stuff anymore. I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
When off the rails have fallen. You okay? You okay?
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Make the foot so steady again. Just like that our love can dreamer does feed on.
Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on like it's supposed to. Come on, baby. Get on top of there. Okay, dial light. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can see it lighting up nicely. Yep. Alrighty. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back. I think I'm ready to start packing some jobs. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print a work order before calling me to ask me about what I offer, the options, prices, turn times. That's all in the work order, and you're perfectly welcome to call me once you've got a work order in your hand. This way you're not asking me the same questions that each new customer asks me. I really need to be on the bench. That's where the work gets done, guys. I don't get anything done on the phone. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again to DV for his business from Oakley, California, and we'll see you guys next time.